Point 2. Solving inequalities by adding or subtracting. All that we're doing in this section let's just go straight to a problem. It looks just like an equation, except for now we have an inequality symbol. So if this was an equation, what do I do? Draw my wall. If I have x plus 12 is less than 20, the first thing I do is draw my wall. Next thing I do, subtract 12, subtract 12. X is less than 8. What this means is any solution less than 8 will work. Give me a number less than 8. 4. What's 4 plus 12? Is 16 less than 20? Yes. Give me another number less than 8. Give me the best number less than 8. Better. 0. What's 0 plus 12? 12 is... Now to graph this. Now, I'm going to use what I call in my upper level classes a ghetto graph. At my upper level classes, I call this the ghetto graph because I only care about one number. What's that one number I care about? That one number I care about is an 8. Is my dot going to be open or closed? Open. Is it going to the left or to the right? To the left. And that's your graph. For this problem, draw my wall. Variables on the left. How do I move the number? Add 5. B is greater than negative 2. So give me a number greater than negative 2. 3. What's 3 minus 5? Negative 2 is greater than negative 7. Some people have a hard time with the whole negative 2's being greater than. Would you rather be negative or be $2 in debt or $7 in debt? $2 in debt is better than $7 in debt. That's why. Would you rather have $10? Would you rather owe $7? I'd rather have $10. To graph this, I'm going to let you do the little ghetto graphs here. Take the number, put it here. This is going to be open, and it goes to the right. There we go. All right, I'm going to draw my wall. What side's my variable on? It is on the right-hand side. So what do I need to do? Add 0.3. Add 0.3. Add 0.3. What does this mean in money? 90 cents. What does this mean? 30 cents. If I had 90 cents and 30 cents, what do I have? $1.20 greater than or equal to n. Now, when I have them written like this, what I usually do is I like the variable on the left. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the entire problem and flip it. If I take this book here and do this to it, did I do anything to it? Did I change the book in any way? All I did was change the way it's positioned, correct? All I'm going to do here is take the problem and change its position. I'm going to move the n over here, flip it around. I'm going to flip this around. I'm going to flip this over here. When I flip it around, the greater than becomes a less than. N is less than or equal to 1.2. And that's it. If it was an equal to, if I flipped an equals, what does an equal look like when I flip it? An equals. But when I flip a less than, it becomes a greater than. When I graph this, Greto graph, 1.2. This dot is solid, and it goes to the left. All right, on this problem. We're going to say G is the gift card. What do you think the inequality is going to be? There's a couple different ones I could write. G minus 14. Okay. What do I know I have? Okay, I have $30. So G plus 14 has to be greater than or equal to, or sorry, less than or equal to 30, which if I go through and solve, she can't spend more than $16.